Hi everyone, I'm Lizzie and I'm a developer evangelist at Twillio. And tonight we'll be talking about how to parse HTML or any data to extract book quotes. But you can use any data you wish. And we'll be using a Python library. Can you raise your hand if you've used BeautifulSoup before? Nice. Same. Should I use like a Slytherin GIF instead? Because like Python. Oh well, okay. So for those of you that don't know, BeautifulSoup is a simple yet powerful third-party Python library to parse specific content from a web page in HTML, XML, and other markup languages. It does the backend tree-traversal work for you. Yay. So it cleans the content for you. Okay. And for example, you can use it to find all the links of a website, like every A element that has an href attribute. You can use it to extract data like stocks, sports statistics, specific words, etc. Again, tonight we'll be using it to find book quotes from goodreads.com/quotes. Anyone here use Goodreads? Woo! Nice. Who here reads? Woo! Okay, so you all should be using Goodreads. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah. Okay, so we'll be using requests to access the HTML pages to scrape, and BS4 or BeautifulSoup 4 to parse said HTML pages. And you can install all of these on the command line with pip. Okay. And here, with this code in requests.get, we open the web page, and then we make a BeautifulSoup object representing the document as a nested data structure. An optional second parameter would be a parser. HTML parser is the default one for BeautifulSoup, but other ones you could use include LXML or HTML5lib, but those both require an external dependency, so we're going to skip that for tonight. Keep things simple. And so we want to get quotes from the page, so if you visit goodreads.com/quotes and right-click View Page Source, you would see HTML classes are nested like so. So we have quote text, class, and then there's the actual body of the quote. Okay. And with this nested structure in mind, we will find every div with the class quote text. We can do this with soup of div, which is the shorthand for BeautifulSoup's find all method. So they're the same thing, just written differently. Okay. And let's loop through the quotes and find each quote's author. As shown in the HTML that we just inspected, the only A tag in div quotes is the author. So if an A tag exists, then we know an author exists. And we can access that text inside a tag as a single Unicode string with the getText method. If we can't find an author, then we skip it, because that might be like not good data that we don't want. Okay. And to convert multi-line quote into a single string, someone groaned, same.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Python 3 uses Unicode by default, so every string, thus, is a sequence of Unicode characters. We loop through a given tag's children by calling .contents on them on the BeautifulSoup object, and then encode each child as ASCII, ignoring any foreign Unicode characters. If a line starts with a tag symbol, then characters that are not part of the quote are ignored. Otherwise, we add that string to the quote that we want to return. Okay. To clean and format each quote, the strip method removes leading and trailing characters, which could mess up our data. We also format the quote along with the author, so it's like quote, new line, dash, author, and then add on a hashtag character to know where to parse the list, so we know where the quote ends. And finally, we filter through all the quotes to find and return them, including characters considered printable, like digits, letters, punctuation, or white space. Okay. Now, time for some audience participation. If you want to test this out, you can get out your phones and text this number, 1-813-906-5107, and you can text like Harry Potter, Crazy Rich Asians, like a book title, a book series, author. The sky is the limit. You can also text the extremely popular to just parse the regular goodreads.com/quotes page. And if you test it out, why don't you wave your phone in the air so we know it works? Yay! Okay. So you can keep texting, but that's all for now. Okay, I'm Lizzie. You can find me online at Lizzie Pika. Oh, you might have sent like weird input. I've done that too.
Don't be so weird.
All right.
Thank you.
Lizzie!